Hi to all, this is Munjamaka Shiro, 9th class from TSWRS. Welcome to IIT Foundation. This is third problem from 9th class IIT. So here, if 2 power minus m into 1 by 2 power m is equal to 1 by 4, then 1 by 14th square bracket of common bracket 4m whole power minus 1 by 2 plus half 1 by 5 power m whole power minus 1 is equal to how much? So they have asked us to find the value of is equal to this expression, value of expression. So first of all, we have to know, here we can observe a m value. So m is, we can say this is a variable. So if we know the value of m, then after we have to substitute the value of m in this expression, then after we can get the answer. So first of all, we have to know the value of m. So now we are going to find the value of m. So 2 power minus m into, by this observing equation, 1 by 2 power m is equal to 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2 power. Okay. So it is in the law of 1 by a power m. So here in the denominator power is positive. So when we are taking this 2 power m in the negative, the power of the sign is will change. So 2 power minus m we can written as. So this is 1 by 4 is there. So 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 square. Yes or no? So here we have used the 1 by a power 1 by n is equal to a power minus n. Okay. Now, so 2 square also can be written as 2 square means 1 by 2 power 2. 2 square means a power 1 by n. So a power 1 by n is equal to a power minus n. So 2 power minus 2. Yes or no? So now 2 power m into 2 power minus m. 2 power minus m into 2 power minus m. So a power m into a power n. So 2 power minus m plus half minus m is equal to 2 power minus 2. Here we have used the law a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So 2 power minus m plus into minus minus m is equal to 2 power minus 2. Now 2 power minus m minus 1 is equal to 2 power minus 2m is equal to 2 power minus 2. Now a power m is equal to a power n. A power m is equal to a power n. So bases are equals to they get cancelled. Next m equal to n we will get. Okay. So now minus 2m is equal to minus 2. So now we want to find the value of m. So minus 2. We are transposing 2 from LHS to RHS. So it will becomes division because it is in the product. Minus 2 into m. So minus minus get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So m is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. Yes, we found the value of m equal to 1. So now we have to find the value of 1 by 14th of 4 power m whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 power m whole power minus 1. So now 1 by 14th bracket 4 can be written as we know 2 square. Yes or no? 2 okay, then after we can do. So 4 power m whole power minus 1 by 2 means this is in the formula of a power m whole power n. So 4 power m into 1 by 2. Next plus 1 by a power n is equal to 5 power minus m. Yes or no? Next whole power minus 1. Here we have used both laws. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Yes or no? For this. Next 1 by 5 power m is equal to 1 by a power minus n is equal to a power minus n. Yes or no? So now 1 by 14th. So 4 can be written as 2 square m into 1 m by sorry. Now we are substituting the value of what is the value of m we got a 1. So value of m we are substituting 1. So 4 power okay 4 can be written as 2 square and 1 into 1 1. So 1 by 2. So 2 square 1 by 2 and here the value of m is equal to 1. Okay, now place 5 power minus 1 into minus power minus 1. So a power minus 1 a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 5 power minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So now again I use the a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn for this. Yes or no? So now 1 by 14 a power m whole power n is equal to 2 power 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5 power 1 is equal to 5 only. We have used here a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So we have to must write the which law we have used. Now 1 by 14 2 get cancelled. 2 power 1 is equal to 2 plus 5 1 by 14. This bracket means multiplication into 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 1 into 1 1 1 into 2 into 1 2. So what is the value of this expression? So if they ask like this, if 2 power minus m into 1 by 2 power m is equal to 1 by 4, then 1 by 14th of 4 power m whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 power m whole power minus 1 is equal to, we have gotten the 1 by 2 is the value. Okay, this is the answer for this question. I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.